Hi, my name is David, and this is my wife, Ria, and our firstborn child, Alicia. And the reason why we bought this house is because we want more space for our family, and also for and also for the school district. Yeah, because since this is included in the place is one of, I think, they have the best school districts. So, yeah. Oh, experience working with the agent. She's very helpful. She's very patient, and she is very. I think she's excellent dealing with our needs. And yeah. For example, the first one is the establishing RPA. So we asked him what are our demands, and then she wrote it down, and then also basically all our demands were met. I could say she exceeded our expectations. Through the process, the agent was able to help us because she's very patient, especially to me. So because I'm very demanding. So, and beside that, she's very helpful, patient, yeah. And also she does extra mile, like taking care of our baby. The first time that we met your company is when we attended the first time home buyer, like a year ago, and then we've been trying to purchase a house, and then eventually when we're about to put it on hold, your company called us, and then that person referred Kirsten to us. Through our agent, we were able to beat the multiple offers and able to close escrow in 21 days. So overall, we are happy and satisfied, and we highly recommend Rudy Kusuma and his team for our friends, relatives, and yeah. And I already referred my agent to my co-workers, so that's why it's highly recommendable.